Live-ish.
Hi everyone, it's Amy from So Let's Be Quilty Studio here in Pentwater, Michigan. I hope everybody's Thursday is awesome. We had to switch from Wednesday to Thursday because we had a prior commitment, so I'm just going to go over a couple of quick things with you, not waste a bunch of time this week. I have some other announcements next week that'll be really cool. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is we're having a few classes coming up that are Christmas related or a little gifty related. On Saturday, we're having Jamie come back and do the felted Christmas ornaments, or you can make the little pin that goes on whatever, and it's a magnet, so it's really nice. It goes on anything. So Jamie's coming in from 2 to 4 on Saturday, and that is the 9th. I had to think about that. And then she will be here on the very next Saturday, the 17th? Yes, 16th. 16th. We're a little discombobulated today. On the 16th, and she will be doing the same ornaments. So the felted ornaments, no sewing required. All you have to do is come in and string the felted items on either the floss or on the wire for the candy canes. So she's here on Saturday from 2 to 4, and then the next Saturday from 10 to 1 or 2. You don't have to make a reservation. You just have to come in. The ornaments are $15 for one kit or $40 for 3. A lot of people are doing one of each because they're awesome. So I did this little tree on last Friday when she was here, and she has little hearts for the Grinch tree. So you can do a star or a heart. We have the 2 different candy canes, so the white with the red stripes or the red with the white stripes, and then this adorable little snowman, and then she has a bunch of different scarves, so all sorts of different, it's all made out of felted wool. All of these are felted wool blankets, and they're all cut. All you have to do is come in, and she gives you a card that tells you how to set them up to string them, and then these go super fast. The little snowman goes super fast. This one, since you're doing it on wire, goes a little bit slower, but still great gifts, great for your tree, and come and support her small business as well. So Jamie's coming in this Saturday from 2 to 4, and then next Saturday from 10 to 1 or 2, depending on how many people are here. Just allow yourself about 20 to 30 minutes to make an ornament and come in and have fun. Okay, so I'm going to put these away very slowly so they don't all fall off. All right, so the other 2 classes that are coming up this Saturday, we are doing the Quilt As You Go stocking, and that will be in the morning. So that will be from 10 to 1. And this does require a sewing machine. It does require some knowledge of sewing. I have the strips here and the kits to put with the batting, with all of the pattern and all that with it. So that class is from 10 to 1. It is $20. It does include the kit, the kit that includes the batting to make this quilted Quilt As You Go stocking. And then I have a bunch of 2.5-inch strips that are just going to be in the middle of the table. You can either bring your own, or you can use some of mine. It takes 16 2.5-inch strips, and then a 3/8 of a yard of your lining. Okay, so that's Saturday. Then the next Friday, not tomorrow, but next Friday, we're doing the little Bitsy Box. And this class is $20. It includes the pattern, and then you have a zipper of your choice. This is just such a great little gift. They fit your ear pods perfectly. They're great to snap on a backpack or a purse and have your hand sanitizer, your earbuds in it. Really great gift. It's great for people to put on the tree. You can put a couple of little candies in there. It'll make a great little ornament or something really fun for lots and lots of people. So that's the Bitsy Box. That is on Friday the 15th. And that is from 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Okay. So let's talk about this, and then I want to talk about this that is sitting on the counter because it's really cool. So I just finished cutting kits for this one. This is, it's a Corey Dantini fabric called Enchanted Forest. And it is a really cute quilt. So it has the panel in the center and then really simple pinwheels and squares to make this quilt. I'm telling you, this quilt is so cute. So the panel that goes in the center, I'll show you the panel. So it has the little gnomes and the tree, and just her illustrations are so whimsical and sweet. I'm a fan. So these are kits. They're cut. They're in the system, and they're I think they're $95 for the kits, and they come with everything and the binding. And ready to go. So if you're interested in getting another kit for Christmas, you could probably even get it done by Christmas if you were super industrious. So the kit comes with all of those fabrics. So it has the little gnomes getting ready for Christmas. It this is your binding. The little rabbits and mushrooms and raccoons. I love it, love it, love it. And then this one has little foxes, and it's just so sweet. Or I could even say probably delightful. Okay, so that one, it's ready to go. It's in the system. We'll put the link in the description so you can go to it if you want. And then I got a brand new product. It's fabric, but it's fabric made to be binding. So it comes on the bolt. It's from Art Gallery Fabrics. So lovely, lovely fabric. And it is ready-made binding. So what they're doing is, I'm gonna have Mark do light up, yeah. So what they're doing is they're giving you the strip that you need to cut for your binding. And then when you fold it in half, you have options. So when you fold it in half and you iron it, then you can either put this side out or that side out. So this was, I thought this was a pretty good one for a lot of things. So it has the black and cream, and then you have the stripe, the kind of stripes, or the little dots on one side. So that's one of them. And then this one I thought was really sweet. So it says Love, Magic, Sparkle on one side with the stars and the little stars here. And then you have, on the other side, you have little stars, and then these little graduated dots with color. Really, really sweet. This one has a little black and white option, and then like just a little strip that has like the floral on it. I just thought a lot of the colors that I carry kind of fall in this kind of range, so I thought maybe that would be good for a lot of things. A bag would be really cute with this on it. And then this is the one I was showing you. So this one is really easy to see. You have these little scissor marks on either side, and you can either cut it out with your rotary cutter, or you can just cut it out with a pair of scissors. I would open it flat so that you have an opportunity to see the whole strip. Laid out flat, and then just kind of, you know, kind of play with it a little bit to make sure that you're cutting the where you want it to cut it. And then I'm going to move this so you can see it. So this is how the strip got cut off the bolt. And then this one says handmade with love, handmade one of a kind, right? So if I were to put it on the edge of a binding, I would sew it on, and when I fold it over, that's what you'll see on one side. But if I did it the other way, and you know, you're you're putting it down that way. So you have just the little thing on the top, and then on the back, you'll still see handmade one of a kind on the back side. So I just really think this is a super fun idea. I got 4 bolts of it. I'm really excited about it. I think it will make doing binding really fun and a little bit whimsical, and then it adds a little bit of fun having all the writing on part of it. So really awesome. It's in the system right now, so I hope that you will try it out and see if you like it, and it's available here at the shop. So we have classes, I had a little kit, I showed you the binding. This is really short and simple. Where did I put it? So if you are in one of the Pentwater businesses, there is a magazine called Traditions, and that has all of the activities that are happening in town. So the sleigh rides, the when Santa's going to be here for pictures, when everybody's going to be here, what stores are open and kind of what they're offering. We have Painted Frog and Jillies who have classes. I think there's some other activities that are happening at Craze and a couple of other shops. So check it out and come and spend Christmas in the village of Pentwater. So I will see you next week on Wednesday, and I hope you have a wonderful day.